Hey everyone, back to the channel. Here we are at Magic Kingdom. It was actually my birthday on this day and I had to spend it in the Magic Kingdom. So this is our first time seeing the castle with all the beautiful colors. It was amazing. And of course, one of the first stops every time we come to the Magic Kingdom is Main Street Bakery, of course, for a Starbucks visit. Get a hot caramel macchiato with almond milk. Absolutely my favorite. Here we have a Sleepy Hollow treat. It's the Mickey waffle with strawberry toppings. There's usually good seating there where you can sit and kind of look over the castle while you sit and have your snack. Also on the way over to Mickey's, to Sleepy Hollow, we seen all the cavalcades, which was really nice. They're super cute. They're not as fun as the big parades, but they're definitely something that are fun to take a minute and watch. Here we are actually looking in the garden across the way from the Tangled restrooms for different pascals. This is another shaded area just to kind of take a break from walking and enjoy the scenery. Here we are at Pirates of the Caribbean, a must-do ride every time we go.
Best of your treasures now, we mateys. There be pirates on the horizon. Aye, 'tis true, me mateys. Dead men tell no tales.
White flag, you scurvy scum, and bring me Captain Jack Sparrow, or I'll be sending you to Davy Jones.
not take these colors. No, 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 no.
No, por favor, no. Where are we coming, Jack Sparrow? Speak up, or do you fancy a swing?
Down, you lily-livered lover! Strike your feathers, dearie. Show 'em your flock.
Hey, send him hints to Davy Jones. It's the rendezvous.
Wanker now, you swabbies. What may I offer for these hearty hens? Every one an egg layer.
Not lest they be laying golden eggs.
Belay there, you bilge rat!
Oh, quit your clucking. The gentleman wants the rum. Don't you?
Hey, watch the rum!
Here I be, the treasure map and the key as well. What are you going to do to see the local captain?
Come on now, be it nice, little pussycat.
A toast to Boris and its many shiny rewards. As a career that could be more rewarding. Drink out the hot shower.
And then on to Splash Mountain, which I think we rode twice while we were there. And then, of course, a nice little air conditioning break at the Little Mermaid ride. A lot of fun. Just great views of the park that I never get to take pictures of because it's usually so crowded. It's hard to get really good pictures. But as you can see, crowd levels were extremely low, so you could take the time and actually take really good photos. Unfortunately, we had to wear masks, so the fun of actually getting to see smiling faces in a lot of these pictures wasn't there, but it was definitely a very unique experience. That I'm so glad that I got to actually go during this time of the year. It also brought a lot of happiness to be able to do this on my birthday with my hubby, even though the crowds are low. It It wasn't quite the same, but it was still exceptionally fun. Very fun trip. Here we are at Haunted Mansion, which is something that we ride several times every time we're there. It's a good air conditioning break. Also, getting to ride Haunted Mansion always gets me ready for Halloween season, of course.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour.
And here we are getting ready to ride Peter Pan. And of course, normally this ride is like a 60-minute at a minimum wait. And it was a walk-on. Almost every ride in the whole park was a walk-on. So that was just amazing just to like jump on it and not have to stand there for 60 minutes for a dark ride. Because it's definitely one of our favorites.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
And here we are at Gaston's Tavern, and of course it wasn't open during the pandemic time. Now I believe it is open, but it's normally a must-do for our family every time we're in Magic Kingdom is to get a cinnamon roll. I literally could not stop taking pictures of how beautiful the castle looked with the new colors. We spent 2 days at Magic Kingdom on our trip this time. The first time I ate at the Beast Castle, which was always amazing. It's never a disappointment. Always love being in there. We got to sit in the West Wing. It's very magical to be in there. I encourage everybody to at least experience it once. The food, to me, is always on point. The experience, the ambiance, I absolutely adore the Beast Castle. So definitely, again, another must-do for us. Might not be for everybody, though. This popcorn stand I had actually never seen before. It's Maurice's popping machine. Absolutely adorable. And here is the Ooey Gooey toffee cake from Liberty Tree Tavern. We'd eat there for the first time on this trip. Again, I can't wait to take the kids back there. I think they're absolutely going to love everything. It's very Thanksgiving style dining. It was really, really good. And that wraps up our 2 days at Magic Kingdom. If you did like the video, please hit the thumbs up, give it a like. Also, subscribe and hit that notification bell in case you want to catch anything else we post. We'll see you soon.